Hi, Claudia here. I'm gonna make another very, very fast, I hope so, project with the very fairy Christmas junk journal digital. And look what I'm going to do. I got this one at Hobby Lobby, and it says that it's food safe, so we can use it in the kitchen. But what I'm going to do is not gonna make it easy to use. So I'm gonna use the other side because this one is light gray and I don't want the paper to get there. I'm gonna use my Mod Podge and I'm gonna cover this with enough so I can stick the paper there. And because you don't need to do just journals or cards or tags, you can do all kind of project with that, and I'm gonna show you how. So I love this lady since I saw it, and I didn't have the heart to cut her, so now I'm gonna put her here. And I know the wings are not gonna be there, but I don't care because she is going to be here. Okay, and I just noticed that I don't have my X-Acto knife with me. So, what can we do? So many things, no X-Acto knife. So, we're gonna use the scissors. Oops, oopsie, oopsie, Claudia. You don't want to do that. Oops. I do almost everything but my X-Acto knife. And I don't want to go downstairs. Not really. Not really, not really, not really. want to ruin the window because I would like to put the window in the other side. So, okay, let's leave it there. Let's take this out of here and let's see if I can okay. Let me clean up here because I need to put, oh wait, before I go anywhere else, let's open the hole. So this one, even though it says that is safe for food, we are gonna do this only for decorative purpose, okay? Okay, so here we are, and let's use this. You know, when you apply on top of the paper, usually the paper gets all crinky, you know, like bubbles and stuff, but when it's dry, everything disappears. And so what I like to do is I put first a coat, make sure that everything is covered. And this is matte, it's not gonna be shiny. It looks shiny now because it's wet, but it's not gonna be shiny. And after I finish, I like to get a little bit. Hello, a little bit, Claudia. And so, and I like to do this because I don't like the effect when you pass with the sponge. So what I like to do is doing this. And you will take the stripes, the lines that the brush leave. It will take it away, and I love that. And we really don't need to do anything around because this one is very, very well done. So we don't have to. So I don't know if you can see that is all, I love it. I love the effect that it does to the finished project. We can put this, but if I put it right now, it's gonna get stuck into the with the glue, because the Match Podge you can use as a glue too. So I don't want to. I just want to show you. I hope you can see it, the effect of the, and let's see if we can maybe, no, she's so gorgeous that I don't want to touch it. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I hope you like it. You saw it's very, very easy, very simple, and this one will need to dry at least for a couple hours before I can put the cord back. So I hope you like it. Thank you for being with me. Enjoy your day, and don't miss my videos. Bye. See you soon.